I am glad to welcome you to my channel. The theme of the program: Gold Factory with Retirement, so go ahead. Today, there is such a situation that almost all people do not have a plan for investing in gold. Based on these points, you should understand exactly how to make investments, where and in what areas to make investments, and what types of gold you should buy if you want to have cash in your pockets. Are you ready to earn on gold, at least in order to have, perhaps, not millions in large bills, but to have an economic advantage in having a good housing and financial prosperity? This is what we can implement. There are 6 main prerequisites for investing in gold at once. Gold can be a solid investment, and any solid and very enterprising investor has at least some gold in their baggage. This is a proven and reliable plus factor that provides a good return physically or in stocks. It remains to convince yourself to pay a little money for this precious metal. Gold factory and retirement include the following aspects. The habit of trading gold lives for thousands of centuries. Gold jewelry has retained its own value since the beginning of rational life, from the Peruvian civilization on the South American continent and the inhabitants of ancient Egypt to the present day. Now gold is being used for jewelry production, and gold is being bought and sold by many people around the world. This precious material has a number of unique properties, such as beauty and attractiveness in the artistic sense. Both financially and economically, it is like a currency, unlike other natural resources. Gold cannot depreciate. Despite fluctuations in the gold and currency markets, the precious metal will in no way lose its true value. It will forever become a habit of exchanging goods instead of cash and have the same value, no matter where in the world you are. Since 1970, the value of an ounce of gold has increased from $35.17 to $1,576. This is an amazing increase in value. You can never get something like this when you stack money or coins. Gold is used in emergency situations. Even if the state of emergency is mandatory and the banks with the highest prestige are closed, they will really refuse to offer you their own money or conduct an operation. As a result, depositors' money will be used to save the bank. They will still use their gold as a payment method to purchase basic needs. Gold is not concerned about inflation or deflation. In the past, investors have found that gold can be one of the easiest investments to hedge against inflation as its value rises, although the cost of living is also rising. Look every year for the last 50 years, and the statistics show a lot of inflation, and gold is stable. The same situation is observed in deflation. Gold definitely. How much gold do you think is produced each year? 50 million troy ounces of gold are mined annually, according to statistics. Yes, thoroughly, that's all, and all that is planned for the final. Everything will continue to grow in the price of gold, until the metal itself runs out. Gold as an ideal plus for any portfolio. Ask the Terry investor whether he has gold as an investment in an associate degree, physical or in shares. The decisive answer will be positive, 100% guaranteed. Therefore, as a result, gold is a big plus for diversification. Whenever the smell of fear appears in the securities market, gold grows. Reasonable people diversify themselves. They do not buy only for one thing, realizing that they will not get any reliable factor that would bring them wealth. 4 factors of gold that you just want to buy. When you think about this value, you are basically oscillating between precious stones and huge significant ingots. But there is an approximate measure, in fact, 4 factors of gold in which you invest and get an honest financial profit. As a result, you do it wisely. Dimensional gold bars. You've seen them in the movies, huge big gold stones that weigh a lot. In terms of physical investment, these cubic meters measure tiny gold bars. Monetary gold. Almost bullion, tiny and less expensive, coins of normal measures are a good investment for beginners. Shares in gold. If you buy shares in gold or watch the market fluctuate, you will earn money seriously, but you always want to be on the lookout for them, especially during turbulence. External gold attributes. The most undervalued type of investment, gold jewelry, is just blocking the reception or perhaps having fun wearing them. This can be a great backup for any unavoidable business accident, quarantine, falling celestial bodies, natural disasters, etc. Need a decent pension? You want to earn for them that you get now. Are you interested in such offers? Registration addresses and links below.